Hey everybody. So the other day I got this box in the mail and I had no idea what it was. So I had to go pick it up. Usually it just comes in the mailbox. So I'm like, yeah. So I'm like, oh, I can't be Pop in the box. I don't recognize this box. And I opened it and yes, it is Pop in the box. So I know what it is. I think what happened is with the mail strike, they sent it, instead of sending it from the States, they sent it from the UK. So that is why it is in a different box. So I opened it. I already know which one it is. And I will show you. It is the Assassin's Creed. So finally my set is finished. So take it out of this box. So yeah, so it is the last one for the Assassin's Creed movie. It's got the Ubisoft logo right there. I can't pronounce his name, so I'm not going to try. So yeah, it's a pretty cool pop. It's got a scar across his face. I personally like the movie. I've seen it several times already now. And yeah, so I finally got this set finished. Because I changed my list all around last time. And yeah, they must have one in stock in the UK because it was hasn't came from the States yet. So yeah, so that's probably what they did with the mail. So I'll show you the back. So yeah, so I have all of them now. So yeah, I have the whole set because last time I got that one, I got Assassin's Creed 1 showed up. So yeah, it's a pretty cool pop. It's got a little bit of a box pop out, but once I get it into the stack of all the other ones, it will probably flatten out. So yeah, so that is, wow, that's Pop in the box for November. Sorry it's so late, but the mail's still a little messed up from the postal strike here. But yeah, so that is Pop in the box November. Later.